Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olori Lara. I live here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I talk about law, faith, business and everything relating to women. Today I'll be talking about some men that you should never marry as a lady. The men that you should never marry. There's one thing about we ladies, especially when we have gotten to the marriageable age. We just believe that anyone that comes, we should just marry. And at times we see the signals in men that we should not even think of continuing the relationship with, but for the mere fact that we want to settle down, we just bone all those signs that we see. Or at times we might just believe that it will change, and we just continue with the relationship. And at the end of the day, we think that marriage does not change anyone, except for ones that decide to change themselves. So there are some things we have to look out in a man before we decide whether we should go ahead with relationship or we should just stop. So there are some men that we should not even think about getting married to in the first place. And the number one of them is a man that still adores his ex. At times you'll be going out with a lady, with a guy, you'll be dating a guy, and most of the time he will still be talking about his ex. At times when you dress, he condemns your dressing. Hey, that's not the way my ex used to dress when we used to date. This is not the kind of clothes my ex used to. Every time you talk, there's no how you will not talk about your ex, and you are still in relationship with that kind of man. Forget about it. In no time, he will leave you. He will go back to his. And the thing is that he might even still be going through emotional pains of parting with his ex and just looking for a lady to pass time with. Pending the time, things will be resolved between him and the ex, and he'll be talking about her almost all the time. There's no time you are with him that will not talk about his ex. He's just using you to pass time. Before you know it, he will still leave you and go back to his ex. So when you are going out with a guy, when you are dating a guy, and he's always talking about his ex, it's better you tell him, Mr. Man, please let me go. You can go back to your ex. Tell him and allow him to go. Allow him to go. Don't continue with that kind of relationship. It's not work out well. Another one is a perfectionist. The thing is that there's nobody that is perfect. There's no perfect human being anywhere. We're always working towards perfection. It's only God that is perfect. But when a guy now sees himself to be very perfect, that everything you do, they are not just right. No matter what you do, he's always condemning them. He just wants everything to be perfect. Want you to do this one perfectly. He does not even give you room for mistake. All those kind of things. See, leave him alone. Let him look for Mrs. Perfect. You are not perfect for him. Allow him to go. You will see a man that will suit your taste, that you will suit his taste. So allow Mr. Perfect to go. Because there's no how. When he keeps on complaining, before you know it, he will see you as something that's not up to his taste, and he will eventually leave you alone. So, what are we talking about? It's better you leave him now before he later leaves, when he has already wasted a lot of your time. Another one that we should always try and not even move closer is an abusive man. A man that abuses verbally, that abuses you physically or emotionally. Why will you still continue relationship with that kind of man? You are dating a man. Before you know it, he will slap you. And he will come back and say, I'm sorry. It's the devil. I didn't even know what came over me that I slapped you. Forget about it. He will still do it again. And if you mistakenly get married to that kind of man, he will beat the hell out of you. So when you start seeing the traces of man being abusive, or you are talking, or you have this little misunderstanding, and the man has started abusing you verbally, abusing you with different kind of things, whether things that you've done in the past or something, or about your body and everything, it's better you leave that kind of man alone, because that kind of thing doesn't stop quickly. It doesn't stop. It will just continue like that even into the marriage. So it's better you leave that kind of. Another man that you should leave totally is a control freak. There are some men that they are just so anyhow. They just want to control you. They don't even want you to exercise your feelings. They don't even want you to do things of your own. They don't even want you to do things in your own way. They are just controlling. You might tell them that there's an advert for interview that you saw, and you will condemn and say, why do you want to go for that kind of interview? Is that the kind of job you want to do? Please don't go. Don't even go at all. There are some things that you will feel like doing that will just be controlling, that it does not even want you to do, and it will tell you not to do it, and you dare not. A control freak, everything you do is not just okay. He will always tell you to do it in his own way. So when will you be able to exercise your own freedom to do things in your own way, even when you get married to that kind of man? There's no way. So when you start seeing this kind of traces in a man, it's better you allow him to go. Another man that you should not marry is a shit. A shit. You are going out with a man, and before you know it, you start seeing him with another lady. Today you see him with another lady, this one will do, and you think that maybe you'll be the lucky one. Even if you eventually becomes the lucky one, after marriage, you will still continue with his cheating habits. He will still be cheating on you. So if you are seeing that traces when you are going out with a guy, it's better you allow him. Allow him. So you will date some guys, and they'll be cheating, even your own very eye, and they'll be telling you that, after all, I know the person I want to marry, and it's you. So why will you be bothered? Don't be bothered. I know that you are the one I want to marry. Forget about what I'm doing. I think he's telling you the truth. Forget about it too. You are only wasting your time. Once a shit is always a shit. Forget about him. Allow him to go. Allow him to go. Let him just go on his own. Because that kind of man cannot give you a kind of happy life that you desire as a woman. Another person that you should try and avoid totally is a pretty man. Most times we say, this guy is handsome, this guy. There are some guys that they are not only handsome, they are pretty. The same way you are admiring them is the same way other ladies are admiring them. And some ladies, they go for whatever they want. Any kind of man that they want, they go for him. So if you are the one that, let's say you are fortunate to meet that kind of man, be careful. If he doesn't even go for other women, women will always, if he doesn't go for other women will always be craving around him. They will always be going to him. But if you know that you can endure, probably you may go ahead with that kind of relationship. Another one that you should try and avoid totally is an addict. You see a man is a smoker. You've talked to him, he will tell you that he will change, he will not change. You are dating a man and he's always drinking beer, drinking alcohol, drinking all kind of drinks. He's already addicted to drinking, and you think maybe marriage will change him. Forget about it though. He will continue even after marriage. So now that you have seen that, you are seeing that traces, if you know it's not something that you can adapt with even after marriage, it's better you allow him. Free him and let him go. Another kind of man that you should never marry is a mommy's boy. What do I call it? I say a mommy's boy. You are dating a guy, and I tell you, let me tell my mommy first. You are planning about something, you are discussing something, and say, let me ask for my mommy. And this is the way my mom always like it. Any small thing, he has to consult his mother first. It's not as if one should not communicate with the mom when it comes to relationship. But there are some men, they are just their mommy's boy. Everything about their life, even when they sleep with the lady, they will tell their mommy. So is that the kind of man you will want? That even after marriage, everything that happens in the home, his mommy will hear about it. Just think about it. If that's the kind of man, then you can go ahead. But if you know you will not be able to cope with that kind of life, please allow him, free him, let him go. Another man that we should not even think of marrying as a single lady, as a lady, is a nag. People always attach nagging to women, but if you are unfortunate to see a man that nags, they do it even more than women. There are better nags than women. Forget about it. Every small thing he must nag, he must complain about. Don't try it oh. Don't try it oh. Hey, mistake of a lifetime. If you marry a man that nags. I've made mistakes sometimes ago because he's a Christian. I was like, I want a man that fears God. I want a pastor. And I was fortunate to have what I was asking for. But he's a complete nag. Any small thing, he will talk. You see a man that will be complaining about something, and the next 30 minutes, he's still nagging about that thing. It's a mistake of a lifetime. If you say now a man that nags, please run for your dear life. God will give you your home if you leave him. Another man that you should not even think of marrying is a stingy man. You are dating a guy, even when you are not asking, he has not even deemed it fit to say, let me give this lady some money, either to take care of herself or to do some other things. He has not seen any good thing and say, this thing will fit my babe, let me buy it for her. Forget about him. Even when you marry him, he will not spend. A man that is not spending, it's not until a lady asks for money that a guy that cares will give. Guy that cares will always give, even whether you ask or you don't ask. They will see beautiful things on other ladies. They will buy it for a lady that they are dating. The guy that is stingy will always be stingy. Even when you ask, he will still tell you that he does not have, even when he has. So when you see that trait in a man, if you know you can cope, you have your, I have my money. If it's not giving me, I can use my own money and take care of myself. Then you can go ahead. But if you want a guy that will be taking care of you when you get married, please leave that stingy man. Let him go. Another one that we should not even think about is unambitious man. A man at 30, 32, 35, he has not even decided on the kind of job or business or trade or anything that he wants to do for his life. A man at age of 35 is still staying with someone. Is an unambitious man. A guy is dating you, he's 35 years old, and he'll still be taken to his friend's house to go and stay. Anytime you want to see him, you have to go to his friend's house where you stay, and later you leave that place. He's an unambitious. A man at the age of 30, 35 should have an apartment of his own, even if it's an ordinary room. At 35, a man might be a graduate. He might be looking for a job to do or something. He should engage in anything that will still give him his daily food, not the one that will be calling his mom, calling his brother, calling his uncle at that kind of age. He's an unambitious man. So leave him alone and let him go. Another man that you should not think of marrying is a secretive man. A man is always hiding things from you. Even when he's trying to receive a call, he moves away from you. He does not want you to know or hear about his conversation or know the kind of person he's communicating with. He's always trying to hide things from you. Leave that man, though. Leave that man. By the time you get married to this kind of man, even when he will be killing you, you will not know. Leave him alone. Let him go. Another man that you should not even think of marrying is a boss man. Always bossing. Anything he wants you to do is what you will do, not the one that you want to do by yourself. If you have a business idea in mind, he will tell you no, that's not the kind of business I want. It's this one that you must do. A boss man, he will always be bossing. Anything he wants is what you must do. Forget about him and allow him to go. Another man, not to waste our time, another man that you should not even think of marry is an insecure man that cannot trust you. You talk to a guy, he does not even want to know who the guy is. He will be so insecure that he will be questioning you, asking you questions, and wanting to know who you were speaking with, who the person was, and the rest of them. You go out, you come back, he will be asking you why you come late. He's just so insecure. Be thinking that maybe you are cheating on him, or you have another person that you are still seeing after him, and the rest of them. Even when you get married to this kind of man, any small thing he will just believe that you are cheating. Any small thing he cannot even just trust you. So these are the kind of men. Look out for the traits. Look out for the signs in them, and allow them to go. Before you know it, the right man for you, that will accept you for who you are, that will love you, that will love, will come your way. If you enjoy my today's video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check another time where we'll be having some other issues to talk about that will be valuable to our lives. Thank you.